Have some daily practices that can shift your attention away from tinnitus and start focusing again on what's more important in your life. Daily practices, what is this going to mean for you? Well, for most people who are successfully managing stress and anxiety that the world brings, that their own mind brings, that any health symptom like tinnitus or pain brings to them, daily practices are ways to put energy into your bank, into your reserve, so that when times are tough, the withdrawal of that energy does not completely deplete you of your resources.